Good afternoon, traders. Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you're from in the world. Welcome to the live stream. Welcome back to Simply Forex. Trader Tom here. I am all yours for the next 40 minutes or so, guys. So don't be shy. Come say hello. I don't bite. Yeah, I don't bite. And you don't, ask as many questions as you like. It could be anything to do with trading. Could be a pair that you're looking at. Could be something to do with strategy, money management, psychology. We can even talk about football. I'm not bad with capital cities and geography. What else could we talk about? Beer, I'm pretty good with. So yeah, there you go, guys. Right, let's. I was going to say let's start with the trade that I am in, but I'm not in a trade today, guys. We'll take a look at the reasons why I'm not in a trade, and it's basically the pound. Like Elvis had left the building. All right, and there's just been no retrace. And we'll take a look at those pound pairs that I'm in. There's also, let's take a quick look at the economic calendar. There's also no news for Monday, guys. All right. We've got Lagarde speaking later, so that could be important for the euro, but no news that we need to be aware of right now. So yeah, there you go, guys. It's been a bit of a quiet day. So thanks for your time. See you tomorrow. I'm only joking. We will still take a few questions. Let's see who's in. Let's see who is in the house. Let's see who we've got. So Mike, hi Mike, how are you? Heath, morning Heath. If it's morning, where are you in the world? You must be in America, Heath. Father Sunglasses, hello Father Sunglasses. Pound is very weak. Yes, it is. Yeah, and that was the catalyst for our trades today, right? We were looking to sell pound US dollar. Okay, we were looking to sell pound Canadian dollar. Yeah, and we were looking to buy euro pound, which basically is all pound weakness. But as you can see, this is the hourly chart. It was just difficult to trade, really. I mean, we had these candles here, and this high was holding, so potentially we had room to the downside, yeah, because of these candles. But then it's just shot off, yeah. So I'm not going to start trading up here, guys. There's no value. But if price comes down to here, you can see I've got my alarm in. Then I might be interested, but nothing as yet. And that's the story of all the pound pairs. Yeah, if we look at pound Canadian dollar, I mean, this is really, pound is super weak at the moment. Yeah, super weak. And again, look, we've got these candles here. We're thinking, okay, maybe we get a bit of a retrace before it comes down, and then it just went bang, bang, bang. All right, no retrace, already hit our target. This blue line was the higher time frame target that we were looking at. And then finally, pound US dollar. Okay, again, we've got this, this level here, and these candles held on to those lows. So I wasn't interested. And then we got this candle. Okay, could we have entered on this candle? Yeah, potentially. Yeah, but, and there's a big but, I need to put my stop above this high. So I need to put my stop up here, and this is my target. So straight away, the trade doesn't make sense. Yeah, this is my risk. This is my reward. So yeah, we just haven't been able to get in on those pound pairs. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on these, see if we do get a retrace. But to be honest with you guys, it's looking unlikely today. Yeah, it's looking like we're not going to get a setup. And that's pretty much all I was looking at. I'm also looking at euro US dollar potentially. If we get a nice retrace here, I'd consider selling euro US dollar, because if we look at the day chart, it is in a downtrend, right? Clearly in a downtrend. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Lower highs, lower lows. Okay, so it's in a downtrend. Let me draw that again. It was like a 3-year-old drew that line. Yeah, we are in a downtrend, right? Lower highs, lower lows. All right, so we're in a downtrend. I know we've got a bit of an indecisive doji candle here, I was still interested to potentially take price back down to these lows. And on the H1, euro US dollar is breaking down nicely. Okay, yeah, we've just literally just broken H1 structure. I would say there's a level through here, right, which has just been broke. You can see price reacted many times here, 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 even here, right? And this candle has broken that level. So if I get a nice retrace, yeah, I'll probably take enter a sell and take price down to these lows. All right, so we shall see, guys. But yeah, I'm in nothing as we speak. But enough about me. What would you guys want? What do you guys want to look at today? Yeah, we're not in any trades. There's not much happening. So you can think of any question you like to ask me, guys. Right? Godwin, hi Godwin, how are you? Heath's in England, the mighty England, the best country in the world. It's probably, yeah, I say that, I'm not actually in it, but you know, it's always my homeland, and I hope we win the Euros in the summer. Big if. Brett, afternoon, Brett. Scouts, how are you? VIP crew. Father Sunglasses, can we play the candlestick game today? We certainly can do that. Mike, what is causing the pound weakness? And Dances with Wolves, shall we try Bitcoin? All right, so let's look at a few of those first of all. So first of all, let's answer Mike's question, because it doesn't require any charts, right? So Mike is, why is pound weak? And the answer is, Mike, I don't care why. Yeah, I really don't. I don't want to spend any of my time or energy, you know, trying to work out why pound is weak. All right, I'm sure there's 1,000 reasons, 1,000 fundamental reasons why pound is weak, but I don't care about any of them. All I care about, pound US dollar or the pound pairs, is this. Yeah, it is in a nice downtrend, right? Broken an important support level here with this candle, and it has room to move into. That's all I care. Yeah, that's all I care about. It's in a downtrend, bearish candle, room to move into, you know, and it's already hit target, but you know, it wasn't in this trade. But why that's weak, I just do not care, Mike. And that's not me being flippant or carefree. It's just, it doesn't matter to you, right? Yeah, or you're just going to trade the trend. Yeah, and you know, if you want to spend your time checking out the fundamentals of the, you know, the British pound, you can, but I would suggest your energy would be better spent understanding the charts, understanding price action, and yeah, that would be a better, you know, way to spend your time. Right, let's. Godwin wants to look at Canadian dollar, Japanese yen as well. Can we have a look at the dreaded DAX? The dreaded DAX. It sounds like a baddie from a, you know, a Marvel film. So we're gonna take Godwin's question first, because Godwin is in green, which means he is a YouTube member for Simply Forex. So let's have a look at CAD yen. Yen pairs, Godwin, in general, I have been, you know, they've been so erratic, yen pairs. Okay, but let's do a top-down approach and not overcomplicate it. So, like all yen pairs, right, the weekly chart is in an uptrend, right? I would say that's a low there, and this is where we're at in terms of the weekly trend. So we're in an uptrend. What I just checked there, I just checked this last candle's high, and as you can see, I checked this candle's closing body, and I checked this candle's high. And that candle hasn't broken that level yet, okay? But we're in an uptrend, and that is a very bullish candle, okay? So if I had to trade CAD yen, I'd buy it off the back of this, right? But let's get some more information. Let's look at the day chart. And again, you know, if I just put a line at the very top of that high, yeah, right there, that's the high we're looking at. Again, this daily candle hasn't broken that high, right? I mean, again, like the weekly chart, CAD yen is in a range, really. Yeah, it's in a range. Okay, but a range stroke uptrend. Okay, and it hasn't quite broken that range yet. Now, it's looking highly likely that it will break, yeah, because we had a very bullish weekly candle and we had a very bullish daily candle on Friday. All right, so, you know, I would wait and see what this candle does here. Okay, if we get a break of these highs, then potentially we've got a buying opportunity on Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. But if not, you know, if we get a wick that closes back into this level, then I'm just not interested. I don't want to sell the top of this range. Yeah, you know, if anything, I would buy the bottom of this range. Okay, so yeah, let's see what happens to this Canadian dollar Canadian dollar Japanese yen daily candle here. We'll keep an eye on that and see what it does. But right now, there's no trade on CAD yen. I'm thinking H4 has probably broken that level. Let's take a look at H4. Yeah, you can see it has, right? It was holding, and then this candle has broken it. All right, so we've had a H4 break, but this is a daily level for me. Okay, so a H4 break is not good enough. Yeah, I want to see a daily break. Okay, then potentially, you know, we can start looking at buys on CAD yen. All right, Godwin. So I hope that helps you with CAD yen. What else do we look? I'll do one more, and then we'll play. Yeah, the what did we call it? What was the name of it? The candlestick game. Thank you, Father Sunglasses. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Why the hell not? We never look at Bitcoin. So let's have a look at the weekly chart. Okay. Okay, let's just drag that up a little bit to include there. Okay, so Bitcoin, yeah, I'll do this one, guys, and then we'll do another one a bit later where you can get involved with the analysis, all right? But there is a level here. Yeah, you can clearly see it, all right? This, you know, is quite a big psychological level, 70,000, right? Price tends to obey psychological levels a lot of the time. So, you know, 4,500 or 50,000, 55, 60, 65, and so on, right? Now, we are clearly in an uptrend, right? We know Bitcoin has been on the tear up, and tear up is a technical term used in all the economical books. It's also slang for a fight, a tear up. But yeah, you know, we are in an uptrend. There's no two ways about it on the weekly chart. And there's a bit of a area between here and here, right? In fact, let's put in a gray zone. When I say a gray zone, I mean a support and resistance zone. All right, let's put this in on the weekly chart. Let's put another one down here. Oh. All right, so this is where we find ourselves with Bitcoin. This is the level that we're in, you know, an important level, and it's just found itself ranging here. So why is it ranging? Well, we're in an uptrend, okay? So we have buyers, right? People want to trade with trend. We clearly have buyers, but it's at an important resistance level. Therefore, we have found sellers because resistance levels are selling levels, right? And this is where we're at. Yeah, we've got buyers and sellers fighting it out. Now, what would I want to see? I'd want to see a break to the upside. Yeah, that would suggest a continuation of trend. We can carry on buying it, excuse me, or we get a break to the downside, and then we can start selling it. All right, so that's what I'm seeing on the weekly chart. If we drop down to the day chart now, I mean, the daily chart is, okay, so this is a question for everyone. Okay, so everyone right now who's tuned in, firstly, thank you for tuning in. Secondly, if you haven't subscribed already, then please subscribe, guys. We'd love to have you as part of the channel. Also keeps the slightly mental editor happy. And also, guys, if everyone could please smash the like button. Yeah, it really helps support the vid and the channel. So everyone, please smash the like button. Right, once you've done that, guys, I have something else for you to do. Yeah, I'd like to keep you busy on the live stream. Save me doing all the work. So Bitcoin daily chart, right? What is the trend? You've got three states a chart can be in. You've got uptrend, downtrend, or range. Okay. Now, on the day chart, guys, what is the daily trend? So everyone, please leave your questions, your answers in the live chat right now. I'm going to have a quick drink of Evian. It's not really Evian. Christ, I couldn't put it any further away from me if I tried. So yeah, what do you think, guys? Daniel Davies, downtrend. Oh, God, I went to the dentist earlier again. My tooth is so sensitive. Not that you care about my teeth. Rich Paul, downtrend. Daniel Davies, downtrend. Kev Martin, range. Godwin, range. Kev, how are you, Kev? Just seen your name there. How are you, mate? I hope you're well. Hope it's all going good. Dances with Wolves, going down. I like Dances with Wolves, very technical. Father Sunglasses, uptrend. Carlos, range. Brett, downtrend. Heath, consolidation. So consolidation would equal range, I would argue. Matthew, downtrend. Shine Yoga. I like this. Downtrend. Daniel, going down like Liverpool's title bid. Daniel, Ohio, editor, can we get him a lifetime ban, please, right now? I'm only joking, Daniel. But yes, Liverpool's title bid, we don't like to talk about that. Yeah, brings a tear to my eye. Mike, slightly down. There's no such thing as slightly down or slightly. It's either, guys, keep it binary. It's either uptrend, downtrend, or range. And if you cannot distinguish one of them, stay well clear of that chart. Okay. Range. Gavan, the beginning of a range. IQ Robert, range. Well, the weekly was in a range. This is in a downtrend. Right? You just need to understand the structure. Now, every time I say structure, people think, oh, trend is the same thing. And it's not really. Yeah, the structure identifies the trend, and a structure is made up of higher highs, higher lows, or lower highs, lower lows. So you need to be able to pinpoint those on a chart, right? And just the last few, we'll pinpoint this area. Yeah, we'll pinpoint this area, because you can see the moves it's made from these levels. This area, and this area. Okay, this area. Now you know the highs and lows, yeah, or just pinpoint where the chart has reacted the most. Yeah, think of it like that. And then you just join them together. Okay, and therefore we are in a downtrend. Okay, you just need to find those higher highs, higher lows, or lower highs, lower lows, right? Let me draw that one more time. So we're in a downtrend because we have, we even have higher, lower highs. High, lower highs, lower low. Downtrend, right? We're below the moving average 20. Okay, so potentially in here could be a potentially good selling opportunity, right? But that's what it says on the day chart. Now, if we go back to the weekly, right, just to understand this plotting of structure. So this is downtrend, right? It is, yeah. All right, now if we go to the weekly chart, that is a range, right? You've got lows here, highs here, lows here. Now that is just ranging. Yeah, ranging between here and here. All right, so it's difficult to take a trade with Bitcoin. Not maybe you don't trade Bitcoin, but the weekly chart would suggest, potentially buying from the bottom of the range to the top because we're in an uptrend. But the daily chart is breaking down and is in a downtrend, right? So if you think about it, if weekly is in a range, right, but daily is in a, and this is in a, let's say weekly's in an uptrend stroke range, right, and daily is in a downtrend. Now, looking at all of that data, it's difficult to have a trade, right? So I would stay out of this market. But yeah, and again, I was going to say to myself, if I had to trade Bitcoin, how would I trade it? And I just wouldn't. Bitcoin, this is Bitcoin, right? I'm going to give you Bitcoin in a nutshell, right? Indecision, right? Indecision. Then something comes out, they're going to start accepting Bitcoin in a South American country. Bang. Right? Then Bitcoin, right? Then it's they've got an ETF or something like that. I'm not sure. I can't remember exactly. Bang. Right? Then it's just waiting for the next bit of news. Yeah. Maybe Bitcoin stops being used in a country, bang, yeah, Bitcoin starts being used as an online payment in many more countries, bang. That's Bitcoin. Yeah, so I don't trade it for that reason, but many people do, and I'm sure they're doing well out of it. But yeah, there you go. There's Bitcoin. Right, what else are we looking at? We had some other questions up here. Well, let's do the candlestick game. Yeah, Father Sunglasses. This is a good shout. Let's play the candlestick game. So I'm going to close my eyes, yeah, and I am going to randomly pick Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, right? I'm also going to go back in time using the back in time button. Yeah, this is like Back to the Future, right? I'm going to stop somewhere. Stop. Okay, now we are going to play the candlestick game. This is the day chart, right? I'm zooming in and we're going to play, right? So all we're going to do, every candle, you are going to say to me, I've changed the game a little bit. I'm changing the rules. You are going to say to me, buy, sell, or stay out, right? So we're starting with, but you've got to also take into account the structure of the market and how the market's looking, right? So right now, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, would you buy, sell, or stay out of the market? So everyone right now, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, this candle right here, yeah, what would you do in this situation? Would you buy, sell, or stay out? So everyone, so we've got one, stay out. IQ Robert would buy. Let me slow this down so it don't go too quick. Buy. That's not me saying goodbye. That is people putting down buys. Right. Okay. So pretty unanimously, people are saying buy. Right? Michael would stay out. Buy. Actually, stay out. All right, so we've got a mixture of buys and stay out. No more answers now, guys, right? We're going to look at this. So this is the candlestick game, but, also use the information given to you, right? So this is Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. When is this? This is May, gone back to May 22, right? Okay, this is bang, uptrend. Breaking this high. There is a bit of support and resistance in here. Now, looking at that, I'm going to suggest it comes down to this level and then we buy it, right? And I would buy it now. I'm going to say buy. Okay. Some people said stay out. Some people said buy. So let's see. I would buy it. Yeah. Because of the bullishness of this candle, and it's above the moving average 20. Right. Let's play it along one. Christ, okay. So we're not going to take any more answers because it's exactly the same. Right. It's buy or stay out. Okay, so but because of these wicks, yeah, it might want to come down to here before it comes up. Let's have a go. Okay, I've picked the most dullest. Right, okay. Okay, so the people who said stay out, I would say you were correct. Yeah, I did say that price could come down to here first, all right, but that wasn't an option. It's buy or stay out. Now, this candle, guys, what would you do? So same question. Would you buy, sell, or stay out of the market? So next candle, guys, don't be shy. Get involved with the candle game. It's very exciting. An excellent idea, Father Sunglasses. Right. Brett, stay out. Anyone else playing the game? This is going to be a pretty... okay, good sell. Godwin, very controversial. We are in an uptrend. You've gone for a sell. Okay. Matthew, stay out. Shine Yoga, stay out. Michael Molwa, stay out. Rich Paul, stay out. I agree, Brett. Mike would sell. Heath would buy. Okay, any more for any more? Okay, so, all right, no more answers, guys, right? We've got enough answers there. So we've got a real mixture. Now, this is a bearish candle, so I can understand why people might say sell it. But don't forget trend. You are in an uptrend. You are also at a bit of support, right? So I wouldn't sell it, okay? I may end up with egg on my face in a minute, but just, you know, from a trading point of view, I wouldn't sell that, right? I wouldn't buy it. I want to buy this market because we're in an uptrend, but this candle is too bearish. I don't want to buy that candle, but I want to buy the market. Yeah, so there's a real difference there, guys. I want to buy this market, but today might not be the day, okay? Because we have a bearish candle. So I would stay out. I wouldn't buy it. I wouldn't sell it. I would stay out of this market, okay? Now let's play along a candle. I put this on a crazy slow setting. I apologize. Oh, what a candle. Guys, I'm trying to create some drama with this game, yeah? But I quite like this candle. Now, guys, same question, right? Would you buy, sell, or stay out with that because of that last candle? What would you do now? We've got the last candle just formed. It's a bit of a doji. Yeah, it is. But what would you do, guys? Okay, so Brett, wick rejection, stay out, want to break and retest. Okay. So we've got one stay out. Hasib would stay out. Editor, we need some suspenseful, you know, like music for this game, you know. Hasib, Godwin would stay out. Rich Paul would buy. Carlos would stay out. George would buy. Hasib, going to wait for a bullish candle for confirmation. Very wise, Hasib. Michael, stay out. Mike, buy. Don't like selling pressure. Okay, stay out, buy. Abdul, but Fibbo, put Fibbo and go to H1. Okay, can do that also. Right, stay out. Jude. Thank you, Jude. I was thinking of Jude Law and also my friend's twin, Jude, who is 2 years old, a couple of days ago. Anyway, right, no more answers, guys. Now, for me, yeah, right. So first things first, that is a doji. It's not a super bullish candle. It's not. But we have had a bit of rejection here at the moving average 20. And remember, this is a support level, right? So aggressively, I would buy this, yeah, or I would stay out and wait for a more bullish candle. Okay, you guys are probably thinking, Tom, you're giving loads of answers and you ask us to only say 3 options. But you know, let's look at it all. Let's look at all the different factors. I'm going to buy that, right? We are in an uptrend. We've retraced to the moving average 20, and this level here is support, right? What I'd really like to see is a bullish candle that breaks these highs. If we get a bullish candle that breaks those highs, I would buy it up to there, right? But it's either a buy or a stay out. But I'm going to say buy. Let's have a look at the candle. Oh, the sound effects are terrible. Editor, we need some sound effects, like rather than me do it on my own, because my sound effects are terrible. Anyway, so we've, you know, some said stay out, some said buy. Now, what are we doing, guys? This candle, what do we think? Buy, sell, or stay out of the market? Okay, based on the last candle that's just formed, buy, sell, or stay out. Right, buy. That's a break and retest for me. I agree, Brett. I would even say the candle before that was a break and retest for me, but good. You can wait for more confirmation. Definitely going to buy. Hasib's in for the buy. Brett's a buy. Anyone else, guys? Godwin is a buy. Anyone else, guys? Don't be shy. I'm going to drink some of my Evian, which is really vodka in an Evian bottle. Mike's buying. Carlos is buying. Heath Hayden, drum roll needed. I agree. What a terrible drum roll. Sammy, buy. Rich Paul, buy. Father Sunglasses, buy. Guys, I think everyone is unanimous, right? I think we've got a buying opportunity here. And this is a really, you know, thank you, Father Sunglasses, for suggesting this. Jude's going to stay out. All right, Jude, fair enough. Maybe Jude is waiting for a break of this high as confirmation. Yeah, maybe. I get that, right? But, you know, it just goes to show how patient you need to be, right? Because this candle here, really, we got the break. And I bet everyone in the world's thinking buy, 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 buy. Then we've had to wait 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6th day, we now all agree on a buy, pretty much. Okay, so this is a really good example of how trading, you just need to be disciplined and patient and wait for those good setups. Yeah, if you was a bit more aggressive, you would have traded this one, but now you all seem unanimous. We're going to buy this one. All right, so Father Sunglasses, love this game. I love this game. I'm enjoying it this time. Last time we did it, I feel as if it wasn't executed properly, and we blame the editor for that, like we do everything. Can even look at the H1 for a double bottom. All right, but let's just stick with the day chart, right? Now I'm going to play this along. Let's see what's happening. Okay. Right, let's just stick with the buy. I'm just going to play it along for a few candles now. Right, there you go, guys. We were right. We're looking good, yeah. So, you know, you've picked this trade, right? It wasn't rocket science, understanding. Yeah. All you need to do, find the trend, okay, bang, uptrend, find the level at which price could react. Yeah, let's put a gray zone in. What was once resistance becomes support, right? So we've got structure. Yeah, so let's go through it, right? We've got structure with us. Okay, at this point, remember this is our entry candle. We've got structure, tick. Okay, we've got bounce off of a support level. All right, so we've got structure, tick. We've got bounced off of a support level. Yeah, not only this support level, but the moving average 20. Yeah, and yeah, so we've got a bounce off support, tick. Yeah, we had a nice bullish candle, tick. And looking at the chart, we've got a lot of room to move into. And this would be my target, tick, right? And the fifth tick is always a top-down approach, and we can find, you know, potentially a better area to get involved. Now, it's just tick, 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 right? It ticks all the boxes, take the trade. If it doesn't, don't. Yeah, don't try and force a trade. Now, this candle right here, I also like because it's broken that high. So the body of this candle has broken that high. Okay, so let's make this our target and continue our buy trade along. For me, this is a buy still. Okay, so let's just play this one along. Right, interesting. Okay, now, okay, you are in control, guys. You're in control. Yeah. You tell me what are you going to do now, right? This is the situation. That last candle has formed. Are you going to buy, sell, or stay out? So guys, fire away. Yeah, put your questions in the live chat. I will take a look as you enter them. So guys, okay, so Brett would stay out, Hasib would stay out, Rich Paul would stay out. Anyone else, guys? Remember, look at all those things that I just said, yeah? Structure, support and resistance, candlesticks, room, you know, value, really, room to move into. So everyone's staying out right now. Okay, would have bought more if more room. I would say there's still quite a bit of room up to here. Yeah, this is going to be the target here, guys. Yeah, I think that makes sense, right? Right, we also got Heath Hayden bounced off resistance. Maybe it has. Maybe there's some lower time resistance there. Buy. Godwin would buy. Heath would stay out. Michael would buy. Right. Okay. All right. Enough answers there, guys. So no one's selling, which is a good sign. Yeah. If anyone said sell, we'd be in big trouble. There are such things as wrong answers. I'm only joking, right? But no one's selling. You're either stay out or buy. Now, I understand stay out. People who have said stay out because of this candle. It is bearish, but the wick, look at the wick. There's something about that wick that I like. Well, it's not. It's obvious what I like. Yeah, it's come down to such a price, then buyers got involved. Okay, we're still in that uptrend, and furthermore, the uptrend has been, you know, confirmed by breaking this high. The continuation of trend has been confirmed. Now it's retraced. I would look for buys. right? You might not get a setup, you know, it might not break structure because this will probably be in a downtrend on H1 or even H4, right? But I'm buying that. Because of that wick, I'm buying that back up to here still. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're just going to speed this up now. We're going to play it along and see what happens. So I understand stay out, but I would buy that market if I got a setup. Okay, all right, so, you know, I'm still buys, guys, yeah? It's still buys, right? So all those that said stay out, you were correct, right? And you were less aggressive. We had this wick, yeah? But even before this candle, right? Still very interested in buying that. I would buy that candle also, okay? And then let's just see it play along. Yeah, you can see how important this level is, guys. Yeah, but look, and it gets to our target, right? But again, you know, look how long it took. That level proved to be a fantastic level, right? If it, you know, if it was resistance, then becomes support, it's just a good level, yeah? And, you know, even if you did get into this original buy trade here, your stops below here potentially, right? And you never get stopped out, okay? And then it's just bullish, 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 and then we hit target. All right, guys. So yeah, you called the trade. That was the trade here. You know, take buys, and you would have made it back up to here. And guys, if you like the candlestick game and you like my analysis and you enjoy my live stream, then please come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, smash the like button. Yeah, it really helps support the vid. And also, guys, if you haven't already, come join our trading community. Right? Why not? Yeah, we've got traders in there sharing knowledge, ideas, trades, experiences, and it's free, yeah, in our free Discord channel. So come join our free Discord channel. All you need to do is create a username and we let you in. Yeah, simple as that. All right, so come check that out, guys. We'd love to have you. Also, right now, yeah, we are offering you free access to the VIP Trading Academy. Okay, if you create an account with one of our preferred brokers. All right, I give you all of my trade signals in there. I give you all of my tutorials. You get direct access to me. We test drive strategies. We've got a new strategy that you can use. There's so much value in there, guys. So come join that. And finally, guys, if you would like to show your support and become a Simply Forex YouTube member, then you can. All right, you can, and there's many perks for doing so as well. All right, guys. So great game. Really enjoyed it. Okay, we will play that again, guys. We will definitely play that again. Cheers, Tom. Yeah, guys, thanks for everyone for joining us. You know, we can't do this without your questions. Your questions are my fuel. So I will see you same time again tomorrow for more of the same. Have a great trading day, guys. See you later.